everyone's prepared. Oh, racking your you're the two of
Just the two of us.
I actually didn't even realize how time is going by.
Yeah, same.
I'm just here playing. Oh, damn. What is that? Why is that thing glowing? Oh, that thing is glowing yellow. I'm gonna go there. I wanna see it glow. I'm fucking going there. Vroom. 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 No, the glowing is disappearing. Make it glow for me. Is it because it's getting brighter? No, it is still glowing. Ooh. 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 The flowers are glowing. It's pretty.
Imagine if Giovanni says
Giovanni. Oh, shut the fuck up.
Imagine if Ricardo says
I
that.
don't want to imagine that.
Do you wanna
Yeah,
imagine
yeah.
Ricardo?
No, stop.
Oh, shit.
Imagine what?
Imagine Ricardo saying that.
I don't know how to look.
Why are they crying? What are those blue balls?
That's the blue Smurfs poop.
Why does the blue balls have like eyes?
Those are.
Looks like it has eyes.
That's
Oh, wait, are they dead?
so that's their dead body. They
It
respawn.
might be. I don't know.
Yeah, they're playing PUBG. That's why.
Yeah,
I mean, true.
shooting each other.
Wait. The balls are glowing. The blue balls are glowing. Oh, they turned yellow. They're alive. They got revived. Whee! They are flying up. No, wait, are they dead? Are they just souls?
Mickey. Thank you.
I have no idea what's going on.
It's yours now. Use it to create the Wishful Rosa outfit.
Which one? Outfit. Oh, they've been just woken up.
Now I've got
They were
inspiration for the final
sleeping.
piece of the Wishful Rosa outfit. Momo, we can finally craft it.
Momo, we can finally craft it. Yeah, and create the Wishful Aurora outfit. Of course. Yes, ma'am. Okay, what do I need? Damn, I have to fight a lot for that. I actually have to work for it. Whee! Ooh. Ooh. Damn. How nice. Oh. Yeah. Ooh.
Envoy. Looks so scary.
Oh. Oh. You sure?
Huh?
You sure he looks scary?
Yeah, he looks scary.
Because that's
He is
Giovanni.
scary. That's not Giovanni.
That's Giovanni.
That's not Giovanni.
It is Giovanni.
He has different hair.
Nah, that's Giovanni. That's
That's
just
not
the
Giovanni.
lighting. It is Giovanni.
No,
No,
that's Talon.
this can't be Giovanni. It's not Giovanni.
That's Talon.
Giovanni doesn't talk edgy like that.
Do you know what he sounds like?
What? 9? No, no. The German slipped out of me.
Nice. Okay, now I have to craft the outfit, so I have to farm for it. Whee! Yippee!
What's happening? Everything's rumbling. What the fuck?
Rumbling? Are you hungry?
Yes.
Are you shaking the world because you are hungry?
Yes.
Then go eat someone.
Someone?
Oh, yeah, someone.
No.
No?
Oh, the
Okay.
little thing that I saw from you. The
Hmm?
flying little thingy, the blue little thingy that's
Oh,
flying.
yeah, the bird?
No, it's
Oh,
not like
damn,
a
I'm
bird.
poor.
It looks really cute.
I went bankrupt in Infinity Mickey. I mean, just in game. I need money. Game, please give me money.
Just give me my money.
This one? Green one.
Come give me my money.
Just give me my money.
No,
We know.
I'm gonna give you the outfit instead. Do you want your outfit?
No, I want food.
Then go eat.
I don't chase men. I chase you.
I chase outfits. Damn, my nose is itchy and I'm in the boss fight.
Frogs. What? I'm so tired.
Oh yeah, that's the first fight.
For me?
Yeah, with the frogs.
No. No, not now.
No, it's not actually. You don't have to shoot. 25. I don't need it 25 times. I need it
Ribbit.
5 times. Yeah. And I need to upgrade my fishing ability. Yahoo!
I need more dog butt.
Dog butt. Get more dog butt. You can actually buy it in the city.
Nah. I don't wanna
There's like
buy.
research shops.
Actually, I want to buy. No, I don't want to buy.
You can
If
only
I'm gonna
buy
walk
10.
Anyway. Yeah, if I'm gonna walk anyway.
Where's the fishing? Oh, something here. Nice. Treasure. Ooh, money. Is it enough? No, it's not enough. Okay, so what do I need for the fishing one? That's 700. This one.